Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to Vlogmas 2021. Okay, so Vlogmas is actually a thing where you post videos every single day in December. So I wanted to join this year because I've been telling myself I was gonna do it last year and I didn't. So this year I put my mind to it and I really want to be in it. So you guys are gonna be seeing so many videos like every single day, my daily routine and all of that stuff. So stay updated and thank you guys so much for your support. I really do appreciate. This is day one and in today's video I am going to be cleaning. My apartment is really dirty because I've been so busy lately and I haven't been paying too much attention, but I'm going to be cleaning today. So if this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Let's get into the video. So guys, this is the living room. Not too much messy here, so I'm just gonna start cleaning from the living room to the kitchen and bedroom and the bathroom. So enjoy this video. After cleaning the living room, I then moved to the kitchen to clean it up. You can see there's dirty dishes in the sink, the cabinets all kind of messy. I'm just gonna fix it. The stove messy. Okay, let's get into it. Next is the bedroom. This one is a whole lot of mess, trust me. So let's get into it. In the final part, we have the bathroom. It's also dirty, so let's get it done. The bathroom is all done, guys. Thank you so much. I wanted to show you guys this cute toilet light that I got from Shein that only works in the dark, and it has different colors in it. So do you guys think it's cool? So guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 2. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Thank you guys.